So before you buy this backdrop wall mount, make sure. Hi everyone, welcome back to my in-home studio. I'm Moorea with Moorea Thill Photography, and I'm going to be talking all about my in-home studio setup. So when I was choosing an option for my in-home photography studio setup, I really wanted something that gave me the ability to change colors in the middle of a session for my backdrop papers, but also was really convenient and easy to switch out within a session. A lot of times they work with kids, so things need to happen quickly before we kind of lose it and lose the attention span. There's lots of different options when you're choosing your studio setup. I really like the idea of having 3 different colors, but there are options to have a different number of papers. One of the things that I love about this the most is how convenient and easy it is to drop whatever color you want down behind the scene. And then when you're done with it, you just roll it up. Super convenient. I get a lot of questions about what kind of paper I use. I personally love Savage for my seamless backdrop papers, and I have lots of different colors that range from green to yellow to a lot of different versions of beige and almond and bone because I love the natural vibe. My favorite right now is the pecan, and that is this color. Some classic colors that you definitely want to keep within your backdrop availability is white and black, and of course gray. One thing that a lot of people don't actually let you know when you are creating an in-home studio is that you want to make sure that you get these bars so that you can put your backdrop paper on the backdrop holder. The bars make it really easy so that there's no bowing within the backdrop, especially because some of these papers are very heavy, so you want something sturdy that's not going to fall on your clients or break. So I would not recommend doing PVC pipe. A lot of times that bows over time, especially with things like fluctuations within the weather and the different seasons. The bars that I got are right here. They are stainless steel. They're from Amazon. Everything is linked within this video. And one of the great things about setting up this wall mount for your backdrop is that it's really easy. All you need is a couple of screws, a screwdriver, maybe a drill. And if you have drywall like me, you want some good drywall anchors. I used some basic ones that hold up to 100 pounds, and that definitely did the trick. So before you buy this backdrop wall mount, make sure that it's gonna fit all the way across from one side to the other, because let me tell you, this one barely.